Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out why Grok is just not working. Now, Grok is a very popular AI chat and video application. It's embedded within X as well. So it's one of those types of cool applications you might be into. Now, if Grok isn't working, the first thing I'd recommend doing is one of two things. Number one, try going through and basically try restarting the application or restarting the website. So closing out of the application like this, and then opening up that app again. Sometimes simply just restarting it can easily end up fixing it for a lot of people, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. If you do that and that's not working, if you have the application component, I'd probably recommend going through and try updating the application. Sometimes updating the app can also end up going through and fixing this problem, and that's another very easy basic thing I'd recommend probably looking at as well to try updating that particular application. Now, on top of that, if that's not working, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to try going through and try seeing if for some reason Grok is actually down. So what you can do here is you can go to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites. And what you can do here is you can basically just see if Grok is down. And if Grok's down just like this was down right here, you might just have to wait out until Grok actually ends up improving their servers or fixing their servers, because then that will basically end up fixing this problem for a lot of people as well. So those are kind of the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.